Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add Instagram on your TikTok application. To add that, first of all, open your TikTok application, click on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there on the top, you will see three lines, hit on that and go through the setting and privacy. Now, you need to make your account to business account for that. So, go to the account and if you have not done switch to business account, then hit on the switch to business account. I have already created a business account, so I don't need to do that. Now go back and hit on the edit profile. Now if you have Instagram option here, then it is fine. If you don't have it, then go through the app store and then update your application. Once it is updated, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.